Arsha, I am studying UKG. Today I will tell you English type. One King had an elephant. An elephant went to the river for a bath every day. On the way there was a tailor shop. The tailor was very kind. He gave the elephant something to eat every day. One day, the tailor's son was in the shop. The elephant came as usual. He put his trunk into the shop. The tailor's son picked the trunk with a swinging needle. The elephant got angry. He went to the river. He filled his trunk with muddy water. It came back all the muddy water into the tailor shop. The clothes spoiled. The tailor saw their bad. He scolded his son felt very bad. Thank you.